If you want to learn how to do your makeup like a baddie, this video is for you. So enjoy and let's get into it. So first, I'm putting on my mink eyelashes with a tool that I bought from my local beauty supply to help apply them because it's very hard for me to put on eyelashes when I have long acrylics. Now I'm going in with 3 of my favorite moisturizers. First, my Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer with SPF. Then I go in with a pea size of vitamin E oil. You want to use a little amount of this because if you use too much, your makeup will not stick and it will slide. And then I'm going in with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Now onto my brows. I'm using my MAC eyebrow pencil in the shade Spiked. And I like to start at the end of my brows, and I use soft strokes. So if I want to go in and change the shading or the structure of my brows, I can. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to carve out my brows. And you want to take your time on this step, you want your brows to be sharp and snatched. So after I perfectly carve out my brows, I like to bring down the product to make it easier to blend and so that I avoid having a halo brow. Now I'm going in with my favorite foundation by NARS. And I use 2 pumps on both sides of my face. And as you can see, I didn't even color correct. And it covers my dark marks with ease. It's smooth and soft like butter. And when I blend my makeup, I like to use small patting motions. Don't drag it so you won't miss spots on your face, and you want to make sure you bring it down your neck and under your chin. Voila, skin looking like I'm fresh out the womb, very much baby-like and smooth. And now I'm just making sure I'm getting all the crevices. And now I'm going in with my NARS concealer in the shade Caramel. And I like this concealer because it's not too light and it's not too close to my foundation shade, so it's the perfect highlight shade for me. Now I'm going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend out my highlight. And yes, it's damp. Make sure your beauty blender is damp. And I like to look up so I get the creases under my eye. And I also like to bring the excess concealer under my nose. And now I'm going in with my black opal foundation stick in the shade Hazelnut to chisel out my cheekbones and give me that perfect contour. Now I'm going in with that same foundation brush to blend out my contour. And now I'm using the Holy Grail setting powders, SACHA Buttercup. And if you're a brown beauty, please invest in this setting powder. It's better to me than Laura Mercier, and it doesn't leave flashback when I take pics for the grizzy, for the gram. And now I'm just setting under my contour, making sure she's snatched. And this is my favorite part of doing my makeup. Look, filling it. Ooh. And a ooh. Giving you very much face. Now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Powder in the shade Dark. my MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC47, my Milani baked bronzer in the shade 05, and my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Gold Deposit highlighter. And I like to mix both the NC47 and the dark shade of MAC to sweep away my setting powder and to set my entire face. Then I use my MAC highlighter on my cheeks and under my brow bone. I also set my contour with that baked bronzer as well. Now I'm going in with my foundation brush to blend out that highlight and to add some blush and color to my cheeks. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay spray to set my face. And I'm singing and feeling it as usual. And now I'm going in with one of my favorite lip glosses by Ruby Kisses. I got this from my local beauty supply for $1. And of course, it's clear. The go-to lippy for me. And now I'm taking down my hair. I'm giving you very much virgin raw extensions and not beauty supply, you know? I'm giving you crimps, beach wave vibes with just 2 braids. So if you ever want this look, all you have to do is wet your weave and put 2 braids in. Put 2 braids in and you will get this look, but make sure your hair is completely dry when you take your braids down. And now I'm just taking down the other braid and I'm fixing my frontal hair because she cannot slip. I cannot go outside like that. Just no. And if you're wondering, like, you know, her wig is snatched. Yes, I made the wig myself with 3 bundles and a frontal, and I applied it myself. Get into it or get lost. Now I'm checking my part, making sure she's snatched and she's not leaning or crooked. And here I'm just feeling it, giving you a little petty twerk. And this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.